In this video, we will see 7 ways how to improve the facade and make your house to stand out on the street. Before we dive deeper into the topic of the 7 ways to improve building facade, let's learn a little about it. A building facade is the exterior wall or face of a building, typically featuring design elements like windows and doors. Facade refers to the main exterior design of a home or property, usually its front part facing an open space or the street. Facades can be imposing, decorative, or simple, with the front facade usually receiving more elaborate architectural treatment. Architects consider multiple elements when designing facades, including entrance appearance, building materials, and fenestration window placement. Historical architectural styles showcase different facade approaches. Gothic facades 12th century feature massive arched entrances and rose windows. Greek Revival facades 19th century emphasize symmetry and balanced proportions. Modern facades often incorporate dynamic elements like facade systems that function as decorative skins. When we talk about a facade cladding, it refers to the external appearance of a building. Mostly, the term is used when making reference to design, style, or color. Facade, or the principal front of a building, is one of the most important aspects of the design, as this is the first impression of the building, an integral piece to the overall design of a building. Facade is how architects and designers are making your house to stand out and show its unique styles. There are several contextual factors that must be considered before designing a building facade. 1. Building function, whether it's residential, commercial, or cultural, etc. 2. Climate and environmental conditions. 3. Urban fabric and neighborhood context. 4. Distance from adjacent buildings. 5. Number of floors. 6. Viewing angles from streets and alleys. A great facade has the power to grab attention and keep it, making building unique. Here are the 7 ways to improve building facade. 1. Establish a focal point of the facade. Usually this is a front entrance of the building. However, quite often it could be a staircase or other building elements. The trick is to use elements that help naturally draw the eye toward the facade. Incorporating varying textures and patterns adds depth and visual interest to a building's exterior. Through the strategic use of elements like cladding, surface treatments, or architectural details, a facade can evoke a sense of sophistication and uniqueness. 2. Achieve a visual balance. Achieving visual balance is essential to creating an aesthetically pleasing and functional building that fits within its context. This is what makes facade of the building beautiful and unique. Achieving visual balance is an iterative process, involving careful consideration of each element and its relationship to the whole. The proportions and scale of a facade dictate its visual impact and how it relates to its surroundings. Balancing elements such as window sizes, vertical and horizontal lines, and overall massing is crucial in creating a harmonious and visually appealing facade. It is not necessarily that every facade has to be perfectly symmetrical, but it is essential to have the visual weight of all the elements to be balanced. 3. Color balance. Color balance is another very important aspect of facade design. Color combination is achieved by the use of different materials and finishes, as well as simple use of colors that complementing each other. Use of particular colors, and most importantly, the combination of the colors, materials, and finishes enhance facade appearance at night. When you start finding good color combinations, it is important to define what is the main color, accent color, and contrasting color. Colors for facades are grouped according to their tones and what they want to deliver. Warm, neutral, and vibrant tones are versatile and adaptable options for different styles and locations. Knowing about these color trends makes it simpler to choose the right combination for an architectural project, whether it be rustic, modern, or more daring. The color that is on the largest wall surfaces of the facade sets conditions for the other colors. The main color should only be selected from the base colors in the color swatch. Accent color are the colors that are on smaller wall surfaces, building volumes, and facade elements. The accent colors should harmoniously emphasize the hue tone of the main color. The contrasting color is the one that pushes the harmony of the facade slightly out of balance. Like the accent colors, the contrasting color should emphasize the main color, but with the help of contrast. It can come from the base colors or accent colors in the color swatch. 4. Use of distinctive materials. The facade is the cover of your building's story. It gives a sneak peek of the style, quality, and personality waiting inside. In a world of identical buildings, a special exterior helps you tell a story that is completely your own. The materials like wood, stone, or brick that are unique to your region or have an interesting texture could be used to improve the appearance of your house facade. Highlight the unique features of your home and make it stand out at night. When selecting facade materials, consider factors such as climate, building use, aesthetic goals, sustainability, and budget. High-performance materials should also be chosen based on their ability to meet these specific project requirements. A key technique for how to design unique facades is to combine these materials in interesting and creative ways. 5. Addition of a unique feature. A feature like a custom-designed front door, a large porch, or a unique window design can make your home stand out. 6. Use decorative accents. Addition of decorative accents like shutters, window shrouds, or a distinctive mailbox that reflect your personal style will improve your house uniqueness. You can add features like a roof that seems to float, custom bent metal panels, or beautiful arched windows. 7. Install outdoor lighting. Outdoor lighting will highlight the unique features of your home and make it stand out at night. Effective facade lighting involves strategically placing light sources to highlight architectural features, create patterns, and enhance the building's nighttime appearance. Energy-efficient LEDs and integrated lighting systems are commonly used to achieve these effects. Creating a visually intriguing facade requires balancing creativity with technical expertise. By using dynamic patterns, contrasting materials, bold colors, lighting, texture, and greenery, architects and contractors can transform facades into captivating visual statements. A truly unique facade is never a random collection of ideas. It is always born from a powerful and clear concept. Before you even think about choosing a material, it's important to have a main idea. A well-designed facade is both aesthetically pleasing and sustainable over time. By following principles such as scale, rhythm, cultural relevance, proportion, transparency, material quality, simplicity, color harmony, and lighting, architects can create facades that enrich both the building and the urban environment. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and learned from the video. Until the next video, don't forget to subscribe.